everyone, welcome back to the kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you how to make big batch muffin mix. This is going to be so awesome for the upcoming fall mornings when you want to throw some muffins in the oven, and it's just going to take you 15-20 minutes and you're going to have hot muffins ready to go for breakfast. The best part about these muffins is it's not just all flour. There's rolled oats in here, and it's going to give you a really great little bit of nutrition to add to your morning. So let's go see how this all comes together. Today I'm going to share with you how to make a bulk muffin mix, or what I like to call a big batch muffin mix. You guys know I'm all about the big batch. We recently made big batch pancake mix. We've done big batch ranch dressing, we've done big batch taco seasoning, we've done a lot of big batch recipes, and this one is going to be perfect for all of those fall mornings that you want to have some muffins. And this recipe is really simple, and it makes enough to give you 6 batches of muffins. So you're going to need 10 cups of all-purpose flour, or you can use 5 cups of all-purpose and 5 cups of whole wheat, or 5 cups of white wheat, up to you. 4 cups of granulated sugar. Again, you can do 2 cups of brown sugar and 2 cups of white sugar if you like. And we're going to use 4 cups of old-fashioned oats. Make sure they're old-fashioned. This just gives it some good fiber, it gives it some good soluble fiber, and gives you a little more nutrition when you're eating a muffin. We're also going to use 6 tablespoons of baking powder and 2 tablespoons of kosher salt. Now, this is as hard as it gets. You're just going to mix everything up together. You can also put this in a big container and shake it up, but my container isn't going to be shakeable after I get this done. So, and then what you do is we're going to give you the, we're going to show you in a different video how we make this into some different muffins. The way you're going to make the muffins is you're going to use 3 cups of muffin mix, 1.5 cups of milk, 2 large eggs, and 1/4 cup of vegetable oil or melted butter. Personally, I like to use vegetable oil in muffins. I think it makes them a lot moister, and I think that you'll just be happier with them in the long run. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and continue mixing this. You want to make sure it's very well incorporated, because you want every bit of this to have the proper amount of baking soda, baking powder, and that way your muffins are going to rise and be perfect. You also want to make sure that the oats get well distributed in here. So you see what I'm doing is I'm going around the edge and pulling to the inside. Then I'll go into the middle and pull to the outside. And then when everything is ready, we'll go ahead and we'll put it up in this jar that I've fixed up. And I'll be right back and I'll show you what it looks like. There you have it. Our big batch muffin mix is all ready to go. I had enough to fill this gallon jar, and I measured out enough to make a batch of homemade cinnamon toffee muffins that we're going to be sharing in another video. I'll be sure and link that below when I get it posted, but stay tuned to the channel and we'll show you how to do that. I'll make sure that a recipe is posted on my website where you can get the recipe along with all sorts of variations of how to make these muffins. You can make it plain, like I said, with the milk, the eggs, and the oil. Or you can have at it. You can add blueberries, raspberries, blackberries. You can add chocolate chips. You can add banana or pumpkin. You can make pecan or walnut muffins, date and raisin muffins. You can make cinnamon toffee muffins. You can make lemon poppy seed muffins. You can make peanut butter muffins. I'm going to give you all the variations on how you can do that with this one mix. This recipe will make enough mix for 6 batches of muffins, and I know that you're going to love it. If you like today's video, please consider giving me a thumbs up, and if you are new to my kitchen, welcome. Always a pleasure to have new friends visit with me. Be sure and hit the subscribe button, and if you are a tried and true member of the Noreen's Kitchen family, be sure and hit the bell notification button so that you don't miss out on all the real food for real people, real easy recipes that we present all the time right here on our YouTube channel and straight from our kitchen. I hope you give this big batch muffin mix a try, and I hope that you love it. And until next time, I'll see ya.